I'm Mel from Vanilla Zulu, and today I would love to show you my signature black salt and rosemary focaccia. To make this very versatile bread, all you will need is baker's flour, 10 mils of sugar, lukewarm water, 30 mils of olive oil, some hand-snipped rosemary, a nice healthy pinch of my gorgeous sexy black salt flakes. The best way to start your bread off is to add the yeast and then just feed it with a little bit of the sugar and the extra flour. Bring it all together into a smooth dough. You can then grease a baking tray with a little bit of cooking spray, add a little bit of that gorgeous polenta, garnish it with a little bit of that sexy black salt flake. So your oven should be preheated, nice and hot. Pop that bread into the oven and then it is ready to come out of the oven and serve with a whipped truffle butter or any other accompaniment that you might prefer. Enjoy!